Mint Mobile, as an MVNO using T-Mobile's network, offers domestic and international roaming, but it often requires manual setup. Roaming lets you connect to other networks like Verizon domestically when T-Mobile's signal is weak or when you're abroad. Roaming problems typically arise from incorrect APN settings, lack of add-on plans for international use, or device incompatibility. APN, or access point name, settings act as a gateway for data traffic. Make sure your device is configured to use Mint Mobile's APN. International roaming requires purchasing a daily add-on through the Mint Mobile app. Also, confirm your device supports the roaming network's frequencies. While most modern phones do, older models may not. This is the first step in diagnosing the problem. To fix most Mint Mobile roaming issues, start with APN settings. Incorrect APN settings are the most common cause of roaming failures. If traveling internationally, purchase a roaming add-on plan through the Mint Mobile app. These plans start at $5 per day. Enable roaming in your phone's settings, usually under Network and Internet, Mobile Network, then Roaming. Ensure your phone isn't locked to another carrier. If it is, contact your previous carrier to unlock it. If problems persist, check community forums for user-generated fixes, including device-specific APN scripts. Here's a simple diagram showing how APN settings connect your phone to roaming networks.